Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon to all my viewers. So my name is Cik Wan Muhammad Najmi bin Cik Wan Muhammad Amel. I'm from Bmma to Stroke 1. My matrix number is 0918101993. So today I want to show you how to identify the low pressure port and high pressure port at air conditioner system at Product Kancil 2007. So the first one, the easiest way to know how to know the low pressure and high pressure is at the cover that you can see have symbol L, that's mean low pressure, and the other one is H, it's mean high pressure. So that is the one, the easiest way to know how to know the difference between low pressure and high pressure. Okay, the second one is that you can see high pressure is connect with air dryer. Then air dryer is connected to condenser. Okay, for the low pressure that we can see is connect before the compressor. You can see that before the compressor. Okay, the third way is to identify is the size of pipe, low pressure pipe and high pressure pipe. You can see the low pressure pipe is more bigger than high pressure pipe. Okay, that's three way to identify the difference between low pressure and high pressure. Okay guys, so the next step is I want to show you how to know the leakage at the aircon system. Okay, the tools that we need is this one, soap mixed with water. So how to use this? Okay, first you put the mixed soap and water at the connector at low pressure and high pressure. If bubble come out, that's mean the connector at low pressure is leakage, and if no bubble come out at high pressure, that's mean high pressure is in a good condition. Okay, after that we put the mixed soap and water at the connector at air dryer, and if the bubble come out, that means leakage at the air dryer. Okay, so the next one is a condenser, also same. You pour the mixed soap and water at the condenser, and if bubble come out, that means condenser have a leakage. And the last one at you can see the connector at compressor, also you pour the mixed soap and water at that connector, then if bubble come out, that means there's leakage at compressor. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.